Welcome to Shape. In this video, we'll be covering how to integrate LendingDox with Shape software. The first thing that you'll want to do is go to your settings page and navigate to integrations. There, you'll see the LendingDox integration. Press connect. Find these credentials in the support area under API and scroll down to the post with NMLS ID information. Copy-paste the customer ID and the user ID in the appropriate areas, and press save. Next, make sure you go to your profile and enter in your NMLS license number in the license number field, and press save. After, you can go to Manage Users and enter other NMLS user license numbers in each profile, and press save. To test the integration, enter in a record, press the LOS Sync to My LOS. This will automatically send the loan to the Loans tab in LendingDox. You can open that, view the information, and you can also send approved documents through the portal. Once you review a document, you'll press the Approve button in Shape. This will then automatically send that file into the loan file in the e-file area. Here you can view, it will always come into the category as Other, and you can view the results here. Once a loan file is established, LendingDox does send over field updates as well as status updates. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@sepshape.com.